Hello everybody, back with another video. I'll be honest, took a lot of patience for me not to open these up as soon as I got them. So let's waste no time. Today I have a special treat for you. It's actually a double pack. And shout out to the EXO community. Shout out to the people that leave comments on my videos. You guys actually are the reason why I went for the second package that you will be seeing today. This is quite difficult to unbox. There we go. Another pickup by Turntable Lab. Almost 2 years after its release. Or was it 1 year? When did My Dear Melancholy come out? I forget. But I think 2018 was the year. After his rise to stardom with Beauty and Starboy, he broke up with Selena Gomez and his other girl that he was dating. And this is kind of like the aftermath of those experiences. He made a EP. Only 6 songs, but boy, I had these on repeat when this came out. So let's take a look at this. If I am not mistaken, this is the first time we've been able to buy this on wax. There was a record store day drop back in 2019, but that was a physical store release. So this is the first time we were able to order it online. And if I'm not mistaken, this was limited to 3,000 copies. So if you're one of the people that got this record, congratulations to you. This is the interior. And here we go. Seems like they're going with wax paper with sleeves. Very similar to the After Hours sleeve that I have. This one, though, does not. Oh, maybe that's just part of the using wax paper. It like has cutouts there. I thought that was quality control on my After Hours unboxing, but maybe that's just what it's designed to do. Here we go. My Dear Melancholy. It's just one side. And the other side is... What the hell? This is really weird. It's like... I don't know if you guys will be able to pick that up on the lens, but it's like it's got some weird etchings on it. I've never seen a record that looks like this before. I don't know, man. This could be I don't know if they were trying to make an image out of this, or if that's just kind of like what a pressed record looks like when it's just one side, but on the front side, this is what it looks like. And somebody asked me in my other video how the sound quality is, so I'll make sure to listen to these records on my turntable and, you know, see if it passes the quality inspection And I think that's it. There's nothing inside. Kind of disappointing. Like I said, sometimes the lyrics will be there, or I don't know. Cool. Limited pressing. I actually really like the fact that he teamed up with Stolfenstein. He is a talented producer, and I love his music. And I heard he absolutely killed it at Coachella, so hopefully the Weeknd teams up with him in the future. But yeah, my Dear Melancholy LP. This is what it looks like, and a little newsletter from Turntable Lab, and a sticker. So that's what you get. Now, I'm not done yet. I also ordered this, and this was actually from a suggestion from one of my subscribers. This is the Weeknd in Japan. Wow, this is actually really cool. It even has like the Japanese like currency logo. That's cool. When he went to tour Asia, I guess he dropped this. Man, this is sick. For those that don't know, the Weeknd, after he performed Kissland, his tour, he never really went back to play any of those songs on his future tours. And it wasn't until he went back to Asia that he started to sing those songs from Kissland again. And obviously it was because it was when he was in Japan is where he got inspired to do Kissland. So I guess when he went back there, it was kind of like a tribute to that. Now, I hate to open this, but I'm doing this for you guys, so I hope you appreciate it. I guess no one's really seen this open before, so let's open it up. I'm actually really excited to listen to this because... Oh, cool. So this insert stays sick. I thought it was going to be like a sticker. Oh, look at that. There's like a little website. I'll make sure to check that out. This is a little insert. This is really cool. I love this. Asia Tour Live in Japan. Looks like my CD case has got a crack on it. That's unfortunate. Some quality control issues there. I actually got this off Amazon. There was a seller on eBay. But he had sketchy reviews, so I just decided to go directly through Amazon. Oh. Looks like, okay, cool. The Weeknd in Japan. Sick. This is the CD. And this is the insert. This is what people wanted to see. Oh, that's disappointing. What is this? Wow. I wonder if these are the lyrics. In Japan. In Japanese. Yeah, it is. Wow, that's cool. This is cool. So these are all the lyrics. This is awesome. Again, I wish they could have done this with the LP. I actually like to listen along to the lyrics or follow them as I'm listening to my records. So they did it on the CD. They didn't do it on the wax. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, that's it. It's just a card, guys. Well, that's very underwhelming. It looks like that's it. For song credits, visit theweekend.com/in Japan 2018. Make sure to check out that URL and see if you run into anything. So yeah, for those that were wondering what was inside the booklet, it's just the cover and then the lyrics in Japanese and then English. Still a nice piece of music to have, especially because this is a really good lineup right here. Wicked Games, Wanderlust, The Hills, Can't Feel My Face, In the Night, Acquainted. Shout out to those that know that Acquainted is actually the original is Girls Born in the 90s. Often, Might Not, Starboy, I Feel It Coming, Party Monster, Secrets, Call Out My Name, Wasted Times. Those are some solid songs on there. But thank you guys for watching this video. This was an unboxing of my Dear Melancholy LP and the Weeknd in Japan CD. If you guys want to see any future unboxings of the Weeknd, let me know. I'll try and snap some stuff. I do have Echoes of Silence coming in, so that will probably be my next video. And take care, everyone.